I messed up this morning. There is a circus themed wedding that's happening today, and I got there 3 hours early. I don't know. I'm thinking I must have put this in my calendar when I was in New York because when I got to the place at 1, it's 4 o'clock in New York, right? So something got messed up. Point is, that's why I am dressed this way. Here's the Excel challenge. Leila over on her channel, check it out, and I'm going to put a link to her video. She came up with this challenge where you have this data where apps went live, and on the date it shows, say, Blend went live on the 26th of January, and it's in productivity. Then Twister is a game that went live on February 19th. Our challenge is to dig out the division, right? So we have Blend, and we want to find out that Blend is productivity. 2020, that is utility. Okay, how do you do that? Let's look at Leila's solution. Leila uses index, SUMPRODUCT, and column. Beautiful solution, single formula. It works. And then Kevin Lehrbass shows several solutions, including array formulas and one that uses helper columns. So you've got Leila with clean, concise, sophisticated. Kevin, more pragmatic. Here's my solution. First of all, I put the data into a table. I use COUNTIFS for my solution, and this only works because no software should be in this matrix more than once. Here's how it works. If we look at Blend, I want to count how many times Blend shows up in the productivity column, plus how many times productivity shows up in the games column, and multiply that one times 2, plus how many times does Blend show up in the utility column, multiply that times 3. The idea is that if a software shows up in the third column, let's say, it's going to show up as a 0 for productivity. It will be a 0 times 2 in games, which would be 0, and then 1 times 3 in utilities. And that's exactly what we get with software 2020. 0 plus 0 plus 3. And under the division column, I use an index. Look in the headers, right? Look in table 1 headers, productivity through utility, and bring back the value that's in the column that's here. It's going to bring back productivity because that's the first position in the array. Now, are we ready to stop pussyfooting around and let's do this for real? The data is in a table. Go to data from table / range. Here is getting transformed. With this app date highlighted, right click, unpivot other columns. Boom. That's exactly what we wanted. Get rid of this, remove it. We've got it. Let's switch this around. Now we can see Accord is a utility. Close and load this to the workbook, and we are done. No syntax, parentheses, brackets, just done. Thanks to Leila. Thanks to Kevin Lehrbass for doing this. This was fun and something for me to do with this 3 hours that I missed with this wedding. I don't know what happened, but it's time to get back there. See you in the next video.